This is the professional Mitre saw from Grip. The guides and rails ensure a perfect 90-degree cut, while the long 550mm saw stroke removes the frustration of a conventional Mitre box. A perfect precision saw for cutting compound angles on cornicing, skirting, and framing. The swivel base is adjustable between 45 degrees to the left and right with just a push of a button, and has stops at 90, 45, 36, 30, 22.5 and 15 degrees. It also has an adjustable sliding fence for cutting repetitive lengths and a clamp for holding your workpiece sturdy while you cut. The comfortable handle, fine-tooth blade, adjustable depth stops and rubber feet ensure the best possible results with minimal movement. This is a must-have for cutting Mitre joints, especially in framing. Now, this is just one of the saws available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or check out their YouTube channel.